County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 7:00 p.m. At 6:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Hoyt, or 17 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service damage to vehicles
These rides aren't.
Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm. 12-mile corner in the school in Adams. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of until 7:00 p.m. At 6:11 p.m. Mountain.
Clubs like this meet every week in Southwest Louisiana.
At 20 miles an hour.
Of black cowboys gather to ride horses and to cook, eat, drink, and dance.
Culture out here, and of course a huge Creole influence in the culture out here, and we're in the middle of like the wild west, but with green grass and water and a little bit of swamp here and there. So.
Trail riding is a way of life here. Most towns have a club and they meet almost every weekend. It's often a family affair and
different places, we got young people, old people. Places, we got young people.
Lewis.
Okay, those stations aren't working.